February 4th, 2021, a demonstration is being conducted in Washington, D.C., hosted by investment banks, of a new form of fire. This form of fire burns hydrogen into a form that is believed to be dark matter. Dark matter comprises about 90% of the mass of the universe. In other words, it is to be expected that it would be a lower energy state than hydrogen. This demonstration is being conducted on behalf or by Brilliant Light Power. Brilliant Light Power has been around for quite a while. It originated in the late 1980s with a research paper published by a MIT physicist that derived from the Strategic Defense Initiative's effort to produce a free electron laser. A student of the MIT professor named Randell Mills was taking a course there, auditing a course at MIT, having completed his MD research degree at Harvard. This led Mills to construct a classical physics model of what many people interpret as quantum mechanical phenomena. And in fact, he claims that this theory fits the quantum mechanical data quite well. The demonstration has just been reported over at Reddit. It was in the office of Height Capital LLC in the Homer Building offices. The business presentation, dated February 2nd, a couple of days before, contains a lot of detailed information. But this is a drawing of the sun cell. The sun cell is about on the order of a cubic foot, producing about 1/4 megawatt of energy, burning hydrogen at an energy density of about 100 times burning hydrogen and oxygen. I'm going to play a video by Randell Mills that was published fairly recently of one of his systems operating in the presence of a number of commercial interests that have apparently deployed them in situ.
We have developed a new zero-pollution primary energy source applicable to essentially all power applications. The theoretically predicted energy breakthrough is based on reacting atomic hydrogen with a catalyst to cause the atom's electron to transition to a lower energy orbital, forming hydrino, a more stable chemical form of hydrogen that we have isolated and characterized by multiple spectroscopies. The proprietary sun cell, validated by experts at a scale of 300,000 watts, comprises a hydrogen and catalyst injector and an electromagnetic pump that serves an electrode that further injects molten gallium against a counter electrode to form a hydrino reaction plasma with an energy release of 200 times that of burning the hydrogen obtained from water. Peer-reviewed enabling and predictive theory based on classical physical laws has been successful at analytically solving the major problems and mysteries of physics and chemistry from the subatomic to the cosmological scales, including molecules of boundless extent and complexity. We have hydrino in a bottle, and recently we have submitted an article to one of the world's top-tier journals on the validation of the existence of hydrino with a group head of a leading university. We have verified hydrino by over 20 spectroscopies and methods that identify it in a dispositive manner by characteristic signatures that do not match any known species. Patents are issued worldwide. We advanced the engineering of the sun cell that operates at very high power and power density, running continuously on commercial operating conditions. We have achieved expert validation of a pilot sun cell producing a commercial power level of 100,000 watts while operating under commercial steam production conditions. We are working on commercial packaging with an engineering firm. Partners for sun cell manufacturing, installation, and service have been identified. Our first market objective is the 8 trillion per year thermal market. We have developed a pilot high-temperature sun cell mated to both a molten gallium to air heat exchanger and a molten gallium to steam boiler. The electrical market is planned to be served by mating the sun cell to the molten gallium to air heat exchanger and a microturbine. Sun cell external combustor Brayton cycle turbine engineering has been performed, and we are engaged with microturbine manufacturers on the integration of the sun cell to commercial microturbines. Electricity production will be upgraded using a breakthrough and magneto-hydrodynamic conversion, a direct plasma to electric technology with extraordinary power density, 10 times lower cost than other converters, and no moving parts. The thermodynamic systems engineering, modeling, and prototype design and model building work has already been completed. We plan to make the clean, inexpensive power widely available by outsourcing manufacturing, installation, and maintenance of the sun cells provided under a power generator lease. We hope that interested power users, application engineering firms, power equipment manufacturers, energy services companies, and other stakeholders will get involved in advancing this breakthrough green energy and climate change solution.